Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and basic signal sources so you know what's actually wrong. Inspect the dish for dents, loose bolts, or anything blocking the view. Once done, trace the coax from dish to receiver and tighten connectors to stop intermittent loss. Power cycle the receiver and check the front LED for steady power. If the LNB shows no power, the receiver or power supply could be failing. Make sure you write down any on-screen error codes. They guide the next steps. Now you dive into receiver diagnostics to isolate configuration issues. Use the signal strength and quality screen while someone gently nudges the dish. Small changes reveal alignment sensitivity. Then confirm LNB type, frequency, di-SXC, and 22 kHz settings match the installer's spec. Mismatches block transponders. If firmware is outdated, update it and rerun a full channel scan because corrupted software can drop channels. Keep the readings. Finish with precise adjustments and elimination testing so you restore reliable service. Make small dish movements while watching signal quality. Stop at the highest stable value and tighten bolts. Instability means loose mounts. If quality remains low, swap coax or the LNB with a known good unit and retest because failed components are common culprits. Once you've tried hardware swaps, call the provider with error codes for assistance. If directed, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but back up any recordings or settings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.